Hello guys, my name's Jeff, and right now I'm bored. Let's see what the definition of bored is. The definition of bored is an adjective, feeling weary because one is unoccupied or lacks interest in one's current activity. I am bored. Bored, press this button? Bored button? What? Bored, go ahead, press the bored button. I am bored, I'm so bored, I'm bored at school, I'm bored at work, I'm bored of tears, I'm bored of death. Do you find yourself saying any of the above? Yes! If so, you've reached the right website. Clicking the red button will instantly take you to one of the hundreds of interactive websites specially selected to alleviate boredom. So go ahead and give it a try. Press the bored button and be no more. This one? Alright. Find your twin. Okay. No, not going to do that. Because actually, no, I'm not going to do it. Still bored, press the board button again. Yeah, I didn't really do the first one. Anything? Pay up? Pay up. Do you have to pay? What? 15 million? What? What is it? Oh? What? Okay, so I've deposited 15 million? Okay. If I do this. Okay. I'm still bored. This was fun. Type a sentence and write a song. What? Okay. Wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Okay. Okay, so can I just type in the keyword? Okay, I have to write this. You probably know what I'm gonna write. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, I know. If I spelled it wrong, well, I don't really write supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, so. Okay, this is a cool thing. Okay, so, well, I'm not really bored anymore. Actually, play bongos with a cat. Oh. AD. Can I play Furry Leaves? No, I can't. fast his hands can go. Does his hands hurt? Look at this. Ready? Oh my gosh. Okay. I guess I'm not bored anymore. Leaving a big message. Type your big message here. LOL. Magic? What is this? Big message. What is this? Okay, well, I'm not gonna do that. Find out how many goats you're worth. Okay, what will your dowry be? You've always wondered how many goats you're worth. Oh, okay. Let's see. I'm Amel. Can you actually do something? I'm Amel. Okay, what about female? Mel. Okay, let's see. What? No, I want to see how many goats I'm worth. What? Okay, well, let's go to that link. This link. How many goats? How many goats? How many goats? .com/guys. .com/guys, and then is it slash? No, .php. But PHP. Okay. Zoki test? Alright. Let's try this. Let's see. Next. Reset. Okay, well, this isn't working. I really wanted to see how many goats I'm worth. Enjoy plenty of fluids. Ooh. What? Let's see. Capture. Red. Oh, no, my eyes. Take a screenshot. What? Okay, well, random splats, yes. Ooh, colorful. Velocity diffusion? Pressure diffusion? What is this? What if I... Pretty... Vorticity. I'm gonna put them on all high. All high. Okay. What? Look at that. Wow. What if I put no colorful? What? This is abstract art. Look at this. Can I change it to 100? Oh. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is cool. Alright. New one. Wash away distractions. Do you think you're bored? Well, you're not gonna be bored when you play this. Ambient sounds. Let's put everything that right. Is the birds gonna work? I hear the birds. Okay. website, but I am not about to listen to all of this. So, okay, this might. Wait, no, actually, I do. Alright. Well, a lot of stores sell board games so that you cannot be bored, but you're still bored. Okay. That's fine. Disrupt a line dance. Let's see how that is. Let me see. What is this? I have to sign up a login. Nah. I mean, everyone in the world? What? One person in Asia? One person. So, a yellow person is one person in Asia. A black, this black person. Sorry, I'm not racist. Please no hate. In Africa. Oh, why these colors? Oh my gosh, dude. Okay. Oh my gosh, Asia has a lot of people. Asia, come on, like honestly, I need more. This is 69 million. Come on. Oh my gosh. I'm seeing. Let's go down. Scroll. Oh wait. Oh. I believe. What? When does the black start? Oh, there it starts. That's 4 billion people here? Oh my gosh, in Asia? Okay, I'm not about to do this again. That's in, oh my, wait. Oceania is a country, a continent? Oceania. Wow. Somebody took the time to just do all those people. All of that. Oh my gosh, 7 billion. Experience all eyes on you. Oh, wow. See, if I do this, they're stalking me. Oh my gosh. Get out of here. Oh. If I click them, this, I will control them. Over here. Over here. Juke. Oh, over here. Oh. Made you look. Ah! Click and newt. What does that mean? Oh! This is dumb. Okay, well. Alright, well, that was smart. Well, let's watch this again. I mean, let's do another one. Let Microsoft. Guess your age. How old do I look? Search faces. PewDiePie. Use this photo. Yes, use this photo. I'm sorry, what? Try another photo? Whoa. I'm sorry, what? Try another photo. This one. Ooh, yeah. Okay. What? Oh my gosh, PewDiePie actually. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's 32 years old. I'm just kidding. I don't know what his real age is. Funny. What is this? Dehydrated water? Just add water? The night Dad went to jail? Oh my gosh. Canned whole chicken. The cucini. Beard restraints with the dental dams. Alright, well. Stretch. What if I press them all at once? What? Wow. What? It probably hurts. Okay. Well, that is that YouTube? He is it. Find the one thing not like the other. Find the difference. Find the different tile and tap. This one. This one. What different tile? This one. This one. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Oh, I've played this game. I've played this game. So you have to stop at nothing. Okay, so you have to wait like 8 seconds and then try to stop at nothing, okay? I stopped at 38 milliseconds. But once, look at this previous, I don't know. Look at this. 0.01 milliseconds. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see. Play with your food. Okay. What is this about? What? No. Okay, friend. I'll do it. Confirm resubmission. Oh, it's hurting my ears. Okay. No. Stop. It was too loud. Get some grown-up advice. Alright, no, I don't want this. Keep the beat. Okay. What is this? Got rhythm. Can you keep the rhythm when the beat drops out? Turn up your volume and hit play again. Pim. Oh. Am I doing good? Did I do good? You scored 731 out of a possible 1,000? Okay. Oh. I didn't do well. Let's see how your score breaks down. Perfect timing. 42, 45, what is this? 26. Oh my gosh, how many did I do this in? 5? Oh my gosh, okay. I'm gonna do this again. Am I doing good? I want to see how much I can do. I did better! Yes! Alright, well this is cool. Oh, make a Marvel one? Marble run? Let's see about this. What is this? Hey there, we need your help. We want to build the longest Marble one on Earth, run on Earth. You can be a part of it, building your own track and adding it to the Marble one. By increasing its length and track, different types of special bricks are going to be available, allowing you to build even more awesome tracks. Alright! Okay, so first, we're going to do, basic bricks. Yes. Do, bam. Okay, bam. Run. Okay, we're gonna make like a maze. Let's do it. Bam. Then we're gonna do this. Bam. We're gonna do bam. Do this. And then we're gonna do this. Okay, that's it. Well, that sucks. No. Okay, go. Run. Go. Oh, that's what happens if I take this off. What if I take this off? Okay, go. Okay. let's do this, and then we're gonna do, what is this? Okay, what is that? What is this? What is this? Okay, let's put it over here. Bam. What? Okay, that's cool. What is this? Let's see what this is. Ding. Oh, okay, that's cool. New special track. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's do this. Just instead of that. Oh, yes. Well, that's cool. Do this. No. I need this. No. Actually, do that like that. And then I'm gonna do it this. So that it's like that. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Well, that didn't work out. Okay, let's see. Let's take off this. Go. Oh, that's the gravity one. I know. Go. Put this right here. No, actually, I'm gonna put this right here. Put this right here, and actually, no, that's fine. Put this right there. Go. Okay, well, it's just gonna be an infinite loop. If I do this. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh, what? Okay, let's see if this works. I am pretty sure it's gonna solve it. It's not gonna solve the problem. Okay, what's this? Ding. What? That's cool. Okay, so it makes like, okay, that's cool. That's very cool. That's cool. Okay. So first we're gonna do this, and then actually, okay, so we're not gonna do this gravity thing. This gravity thing sucks. And we're gonna do it right here. Bam, like that. Whoa! Oh! What if I take this off? Okay, I'm entertaining myself. Oh, I know. Okay. I need. I left. Oh no. I'm gonna put this right here. This. What if I do that? Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Wait, what is this? Okay, it sucks. Okay, we'll do that, and then I'll do this. Alright, let's see. Ooh, that's cool. Alright, it's 9 kilometers. Let's see the gallery. Alright, loading content. This is the last one we're gonna do. Oh, I should have done this. Okay. Bam. Okay. Well, bam. Wow, okay. Well. So I'm back. And this is my track. So I basically just did Jeff with the round corners. I like that. And then I'm going to run it. See, that teleports to that, which goes to that, drops down, and then hits that marble and goes up, and then gets teleported to this one. Okay, so it touches this, it gets teleported to this. Boom, ba, dim, boop, ba, boom. And then it hits this, which is another marble, and then hits it over here, hits this, goes up, teleports from here to here, and then goes over here. Track name, YouTube 1. YouTube channel. Find out spell YouTube right. And Jeff. Just so y'all know, my name isn't really Jeff, so. Publish. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Load the content. Get it? Because this is content and it's funny. Look at this M. It's just like a block. Just that. You can't really tell what it means, but like, still loading content. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Load the content. Go to gallery. Come on. It's oh okay. Look at this. Here it is mine. Haha. Nobody's liked it. This is 3.6 meters. Okay, well, let's see which one's the most meters. 6.4, 3.4. Haha, this one beats that one. And then 6.4, 12, 39, 30.9, 30.9. Okay, let's do this one first. Let's see, and run. Whoa. Oh, this is very laggy. Okay, let's go back to the gallery. Let's go this one. This one seems simple. What? Whoa. Does it not just get stuck? Oh, it almost got there. Come on, you can do it. Come on, go up. Wow. Oh, let's do this one. Let's see what this one is. Bam, bam, bam. Whoa. Bam, 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 bam. Whoa. Gosh dang. Okay, let's do building. Let's actually try. Okay, so if we do this and then do this, we gotta do the minimal space possible, okay? Gotta do this and then just do, oh, yes. Oh, no, what am I doing? Okay, come on, this right there, like that. No, like this, yep. Well, I'll do this and then I'll do this and then this should go over here. It should go right here. Right here, and then go to this one, and then go to right here, and go down there. I'll probably should test it. Okay, it didn't work out at all, as I planned. Bam, 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 all the way over there. All right. Yes, this is not what I expected. I thought it was, that's 3.1. Okay. Well, I've already used less bricks than I did the other one, and I'm already catching up. All right, let's go. Come on. Yes. Oh, no. Come on. It's good. Come on. Yes. Okay, so we're going to put a block right here. I'm going to do this, and then we're going to do boom, and then, yes, this, and then I'm going to put another one right here. Okay. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. I'll come back when I'm finished. Okay, someone made a 59.8 meter. I've got to check that one out after I do it. Okay, somebody made a 66.9 meter one. I don't know